everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So I just got done at Walgreens today and I have this amazing haul where I grabbed everything you see here for free and I actually made $1.03 in the process. So let me go through each one of these deals for you so that you can do the same thing. So let's start out by doing the deals separately so you can do them as you need to, or you can put them together like I did and have a great big moneymaker. So first and foremost, we're going to start out with the Colgate deal. So the Colgate Optic White mouthwash is what I happen to grab, but also participating is going to be some toothpaste as well as some toothbrushes. Now, I will tell you right now that my store did not have anything tagged when it came to this Colgate deal. So what you need to do if that happens to you is just pull out your phone and use your Walgreens app to scan the product to make sure it is a part of the promotion so you don't get up there and make some sort of mistake. And that's exactly what I did with this Colgate Optic White. So it is regularly priced just $5.79 each, but you want to grab two of them for this deal. They are on sale for $3.99 this week. So that's going to take you up to $7.98. There is a 4 off 2 digital coupon that you are going to load. Out of pocket, you'll pay $3.98, but you're going to get $4 in Walgreens cash back. So you can use Walgreens cash to pay for this as long as you're not using a booster. But this is a very easy freebie. Next deal we have is going to be the Dove body wash. Now, the best way to do this is grab two of the same scent. I know that may seem weird, but for some reason, the digital coupon is having difficulty attaching to two different scents. As long as you have the same scent, you're good to go. So these Dove body washes are regularly priced $8.79. However, they are just $7 each this week. Now, you want to grab two of them for this deal. There is a 7 off 2 digital coupon. So out of pocket, you would pay $7, but you're going to get $4 back with a register reward. Now, that register reward will take you down to just $3 total for both of these, or $1.50 each, which is a really amazing price for an almost $9 bottle of body wash. One last thing that I grabbed was the Dawn. It's the 6.5 fluid ounces. It's on sale this week for 99 cents and it's normally $1.49. Now, I did not have any coupons to go with this, but I use this as a filler item in order to get to my spend amount for my booster. So putting this all together, I had a $5 in Walgreens cash back when you spend $22 digital booster. So I loaded that first. Unfortunately, because the Colgate was $3.99 and not $4, it took me 2 cents below what I needed for that $22 mark. So I had $14 in Dove, and then I had $7 and 98 cents in the Colgate. So that ended up being $21.98 total, and I had to hit 22. So that's why I went ahead and threw in that Dawn in order to get me up to that $22 mark. So basically put all that together, you've got $22.97. I used the 7 off 2 for the Dove digital, and I used the 4 off 2 for the Colgate digital. That's going to take me down to $11.97. Now I went ahead and paid with my debit card. Remember, if you are using a booster, you cannot use Walgreens cash to pay for it, unfortunately, or it will not register it in order to get that Walgreens cash back through the booster. So I got $4 in Walgreens cash back from the Colgate. I got a $4 register reward for the Dove, and then I also got $5 Walgreens cash for the booster for spending $22. That makes all of this completely free and a $1.03 moneymaker. So I have one more deal for you that I did not actually purchase in store, but it is a really awesome deal, so I want to make sure that you can grab it. So grab two of the Crest or Oral-B products that are participating. They'll be on sale for $3 each. That takes you up to $6 total. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon. Use that digital. Out of pocket, you'll pay $4, but you're going to receive $4 in register rewards, making these 2 toothpaste or toothbrushes completely free, which is an amazing deal. Remember, you can use Walgreens cash as long as you are not using a booster. So guys, if you like this haul, please give it a great big thumbs up. Make sure that you let me know in the comments if you decide to go do these deals yourself, but these are super easy beginner deals that you don't want to miss. Now, one other thing is there were a lot of things on clearance, especially the seasonal items that were, for the summer. So I'm putting a bunch of pictures up here at the very end for you to check out and possibly score those when you head into Walgreens. Have a wonderful week, guys.